I want to share with you 6 rules that will make your car paint look new and last forever. These are the same rules I follow on my own cars and the schedule I recommend to every single customer who walked through my door, without any bias, without any product plugs, and completely unfiltered. But before we get to the rules, we need to talk about the biggest reason for paint degradation. It's not the manufacturer, it is not the quality of paint. It is generally the lack of maintenance and care. And especially here in Australia, we have high UV, hot arid climates, and if you neglect your car here, the sun will destroy it. It is as simple as that. So the best way to think about this is to treat your car's paint like you treat your skin. The better you look after it, the slower it's going to age and the less damage it's going to have over time. So let's get stuck straight into the rules. Rule number 1, and the most important thing, is to wash your car frequently. You need to avoid contamination buildup and etching, and I recommend washing it every 2 to 3 weeks at most. When you drive your car, it's going to collect road film, metallic dust, bugs, and grime, as well as industrial fallout and everything else in between. And if you let that sit on the paint for months, it's going to start eating into your paint, and it's going to make your paint rough, attracting even more dirt and making your car harder to wash next time. So regular washing fixes all of that. Rule number 2 is to add a sacrificial layer of protection. You need something to absorb the damage so your car's paint doesn't have to. Ideally, you want a high quality ceramic coating, but as a minimum, at least use some spray wax or sealer. This layer does the heavy lifting and it's going to absorb the damage from the environment. It's going to absorb the UV rays and it's going to make your paint look its best. It's also going to resist the dirt and grime buildup, which is going to make all the other rules much easier to follow. Rule number 3. Prevention is better than cure. Think about where you park your car, and I know it's not always possible, but if it can be helped, be smart about it. Avoid parking under power lines and power poles where birds and bats congregate. Park undercover where you can. And if you see a beaten up car in the parking lot, don't park next to it because they might not care about your car when they get into theirs and drive away. The environment is what damages the paint, so try to control the environment whenever you can. Rule number 4, deal with issues as soon as possible. And this is where the care factor really matters. If you see a bird or bat dropping, clean it off straight away. The stuff is acidic and it's going to burn through your paint in hours on a hot day. Even if you have a ceramic coating, just avoid putting it to test. If you see tree sap, clean it off before you see damage. Don't wait for your scheduled wash in 2 or 3 weeks. Clean it off straight away. What I like to do in my own cars is to keep a travel kit that has a clean microfiber cloth and a waterless wash spray. So if I spot something that needs to be cleaned, I clean it off straight away. Rule number 5, use the right products and the tools. I see this all the time. The worst damage to paint is actually caused by the owner, not the environment. Throw away the old sponges and the dirty chamois. Use high quality clean wash mitts that don't have any grit or rocks in there. Use proper drying towels. Use high quality wash liquids that lift the dirt and grime without stripping your protective layer off your paint, or even worse, stripping your paint off. Truck wash, degreaser, laundry detergent, WD-40, kitchen scourer. I've seen all of those get used and they were never meant for your car. Stick to reputable brands and good quality products. And I'm not saying here to go and buy the most expensive products available, but certainly consider why the cheap products are cheap to begin with. Rule number 6, follow the correct process to clean and protect your car. There are no shortcuts in this. I know it's tempting, but stay away from cheap hand car wash cafes. And definitely stay away from automated tunnel washers. They're designed for throughput. They use cheap, aggressive products made to remove dirt and grime as fast as possible. And they're probably going to not only strip your temporary protection that you've added, but they're probably going to strip your paint as well. The best thing to do is follow the right wash process and use the right products and techniques. Keeping your car clean, coated, and contaminant-free will actually make washing your car easier and faster. So it's not going to be as daunting as you think it's going to be. But taking shortcuts will lead to scratching, swirling, and paint degradation. If you follow these rules, your paint is going to look as good in 20 years' time as it does today. And if you want links to products or tutorials on how to wash your car properly, I've added them in the description below for you to follow, so there are no excuses on why your paint should degrade. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.